everyone, welcome back to Thanmaya tutorials. In this today's video, let us continue our trigonometric part 2 formulas. Here we will see only the standard formulas which is used in your class 11th as well as 12th. Okay, so first formula you should know is your cos of x plus y, cos of x minus y. See the trend here. Sin of x plus y, sin of x minus y. Tan of x plus y, tan of x minus y. Cot of x plus y, cot of x minus y. Like this you will get to see the formulas, which is very important to remember while solving the problems. See, cos of x plus y, remember like this, or like a trick to remember. Whenever there is a cos, cos is always like non-friendly. Okay, where it want to separate, like cos with cos only, sine with sine only, it will separate it. But sine is not like that, it will mix sine with cos, and like that it will mix. Okay, just remember like that. Okay, cos is non-friendly whereas sine is your friendly one. So like that. Okay, see, cos of x plus y, what is it? Expansion, cos x into cos y. It does not want to get friend with the sign, like that. Okay, just to remember. Okay, and if it is a plus, you will get to see the minus here. Okay, if there is a plus, you will see the minus, like that. See, minus sin x into sin y, it has separated the cos and sin. Okay, so next, cos of x minus y. See, here we have minus, right? Then we will get a plus here, like that. So cos x into cos y plus sin x into sin y. First write the cos x and cos y only. Okay, next is sin of x plus y. Sin of x plus y, where it is friendly one, which will combines the cos also, that is sin x into cos y plus cos x into cos y. If there is a plus, we will get the plus only. If there is a minus, we will get minus. Sin of x minus y, sin x into cos y minus cos x into sin y. Okay, so next formula which comes for your tan x plus y is, see, here we have a plus, right? So upward also plus, downside is a minus. Okay, so here we have minus, so here also in numerator is minus, denominator is plus. Tan of x plus y is equal to tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. Next, tan of x minus y is equal to tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x into tan y. See, the only method to remember is daily practice. That's it. Trigonometry formulas are like that. When you see daily or read it daily, you feel it like very much friendly topic, and you just memorize by yourself. Okay, without unknowingly to you will memorize and you will recall it. Okay, next is cot of x minus y. I already said it's a reciprocal, right? To the numerator, like 1 plus cot x into cot y, right? So 1 plus cot x into cot y divided by cot x minus cot y. So cot of x plus y, 1 minus cot x into cot y divided by cot x plus cot y. I think hope you understand about this. So now let us move on to our next formulas. So next formulas comes your standard formulas, which is very important. Before going to these two formulas, very important, just remembering trick, how to remember. So this one, if you remember, means you can easily know how to do this. Remember like this. See, c plus c will be equal to 2cc, that is cos. Okay, see, here it will does not, it is minus, right? It will give it for the sign, like that, minus 2 ss. It's not a scientific one, just I'm saying just to remember. Okay, if you remember like something, making some like stories or some like this what I said now, you just really remember. Next is sine plus sine. I've already said sine is a friendly one which will combines both sine and cos. Therefore 2 SSC, that is nothing but a 2 into sine into cos. Next, s minus s is 2cs. First remember this one. This is very easy to remember. C plus c, 2cc, c minus c minus 2ss, s plus s, 2ssc, s minus s, 2cs. If you remember this, so you can easily derive this all those 8 formulas. What is that? See, cos of x plus y plus cos of x minus y, that is c plus c, whatever it may be, so and so in this brackets. Okay, it's just a function which is running. Okay, so cos of x plus y plus cos of x minus y will be equal to 2 cos x into cos y. I've already said here, that is c plus c, that is c plus c, what it will become, 2cc, 2 cos x into cos y, right? You got that? Say this one, cos x plus y minus cos x minus y. C minus C will be equal to what? Minus 2ss. So minus 2 sin x into sin y. So sin x plus y plus sin x minus y, that is s plus s, 2sc, 2 sin x into cos y. Similarly, sin x plus y minus sin x minus y, that is s minus s, is what? 2cs, that is 2 cos x into sin y. Okay. Similarly, we can remember the formula. So 8 formulas we can remember if you remember this simple trick. So cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d divided by 2 into cos c minus d divided by 2. See, that is cos c, that is c plus c is equal to 2c into c. 2cc. Okay, so that particular function, what I said, no, that particular brackets is just the function running, that's it. That is c plus d divided by 2, c minus d divided by 2. Okay, bracket, just you remember. Okay, so cos c minus cos d, that is minus 2 sin c plus d divided by 2 into sin c minus d divided by 2. Remember, you have to write c plus d divided by 2 for the first only, then you have to write c minus d divided by 2. You must not exchange this particular thing. Okay, and sin c plus sin d, s plus s is what? 2sc, 2 sin c plus d divided by 2 into cos c minus d divided by 2. Similarly, sin c minus sin d is equal to what? Sin s minus s, 2cs, 2 cos c plus d divided by 2 into sin c minus d divided by 2. I think hope you understand this. Now let us come to the very important segment. So like, you just always use these formulas. If you come through the integration, differentiation, always these formulas are very important. What is that? Your cos 2x formulas. How you will write the cos 2x in terms of cos and sine, only cos in terms of tan, and sin 2x formula, tan 2x formula, and sin 3x, cos 3x, and tan 3x. Cos 2x, very important, is written as cos square x minus sin square x. This is very important. Next is cos 2x in terms of sine is 1 minus 2 sin square x. See, so cos, whenever it is giving for sine, it always give it for second time, but cos for cos, first time. Cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. Okay, so similarly, cos 2x in terms of tan is 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Non-friendly, so given first as negative. So simply just remember like that. Okay, you will easily get remembered. Otherwise you will confusion in the sign, that is in numerator we will get plus or we will get minus, like that we will get confusion. Okay, so to get rid of that confusion, just remember some things. Okay, and next is your sin 2x. Sin 2x, this is like damn important. How? And this cos 2x, this is used like that. Sin 2x is always used like 2 sin x into cos x. In physics also, in one of the derivation, that is in your first year, you have that projectile motion, right? So at that time, during deriving, you will use this particular sin 2x, that is something for time of horizontal range. Okay, for horizontal range we will use this particular formula. Okay, just remember sin 2x, 2 tan x. See, sin 2x in terms of tan is 2 tan x divided by tan square x plus 1. That's it. Next is tan 2x. Tan 2x formula is 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. See, sin 2x and tan 2x having both same format formulas, but only changes your plus and minus. Sin is making plus and tan itself is making minus. Remember this slight difference, because you will easily just read it now, but while solving the problem you will literally get confusion, your plus or their plus. In sin we will get plus or tan will get plus. So sin, I have already said, it's a friendly one which giving plus here, so tan giving minus, like that. So just remember. Okay, so next thing is your sin 3x. Sin 3x is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Here how you just remember is, wherever you get a coefficient as 4, so therefore then you have to raise it power 3. Okay, like that. Okay, so if there is a coefficient 3, no power raise, like that. Sin 3x is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. For cos 3x is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Okay, so tan 3x is 3 tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x. Okay, this is a formula. See, 3 3 3. Okay, just remember 3 times you have 3. Okay, so I think hope you got this formulas. If you need If you need a screenshot of it, you can take this. Let us move on to the next formula sheet. Yes. So here I have not written anything because how to remember these many formulas? Oh my god. 4, 8, 12, 16. 16 formulas you have to remember. Oh my god, it's really tough, right? But I'm gonna say you the trick where you can easily you can write the answers for all these questions in a seconds. X-axis, this is y-axis, obviously you know these things, and I've also taught you in the previous video, that is this is 0 degree, this is 0 degree, okay, this is 90 degree, which I will write in radians. Okay, you must practice, you know, that is pi, and this particular thing is 3 pi by 2, that is 270 degree, right? And this is once again 2 pi, that is 360 degree. The point that you have to remember first is, yes, see, if you have in the bracket like n pi by 2, n may be any number like 1, it may be means pi by 2, 2 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, like that, plus x, then you have to change the function. Okay, it is a like 90 degree value, pi by 2. If you have in bracket like n pi, that is 2 pi plus x, 3 pi plus x, 4 pi plus x, like that, then you have to write the same function, same trigonometric function. Like if it is sine, you have to keep it in a sine only. If it is in a cos, you have to keep in a cos only. But how to calculate that plus or minus sign? So now let us see about that, my dears. Okay, so just remember, add sugar to coffee. Okay, so I just take another one. So I said that particular add sugar to coffee, so means add for all stands for all trigonometric function will be positive in your first quadrant. This is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, this is fourth quadrant. Add means all trigonometric functions are positive, and sugar is nothing but your sine and cos. Okay, so let me show you that one. So sine and cosecant, its reciprocal is also what, it is positive there. Next 2, it refers to tan, so tan and its reciprocal cot is positive in the third quadrant, whereas fourth quadrant refers to c, that is cos and secant, its reciprocal remains positive, where here all the trigonometric functions will be positive in the first quadrant. Second quadrant sine and cosecant, third quadrant tan and cot, and fourth quadrant is cos and secant. I think hope you understand this thing. So after knowing all these things, now let us write the values. So that is, before that I have written the graph also here. Okay, so first thing, sine 2 pi plus x, where is sine 2 pi plus x lies? See, can you see this one? See, sine 2 pi is nothing but 360 plus x is nothing but a first quadrant. We know that in first quadrant all the trigonometric functions are positive, and it is like pi x, 2 pi x, n pi. So n pi means we should not change the function, so therefore positive sine x will be the answer for it. Positive sin x. So next question, sine of pi by 2 minus x. So I have already said, if it is like n pi by 2 minus x, we have to change the function. So obviously your sine function will change into the cos function, cos x. But will the sign remains plus or minus? Pi by 2 minus x means what, my dear students? Pi by 2 minus x is nothing but a first quadrant. Pi by 2 is here, minus x means first quadrant, therefore it will remain as positive only. Next thing, cos 2 pi plus x. Cos 2 pi plus x once again lies in the first quadrant. 2 pi is nothing but your functions remains the same, therefore the cos x itself is the answer. Next, cos pi by 2 minus x. Pi by 2 is there, we have to change the function. Cos function will change into sine, whereas pi by 2 minus x is nothing but a first quadrant, so it remains positive only. Okay, so similarly let us do to the next. See, sine pi by 2 plus x, pi by 2 is there, n pi by 2, therefore we have to change the function sine to cos. Okay, so let me change it as cos x. But so pi by 2 plus x means where it will lies. So here is pi by 2 plus x is nothing but a second quadrant. We know that in second quadrant only sign, that is as sugar, that is sine and cosecant is positive, remaining is negative. So therefore it is negative minus cos x. Okay. So similarly sine pi minus x. So pi minus x, 180 minus x lies in second quadrant. Pi means you have to write the sign only. Okay, second quadrant sign is what? So that is positive, because we know that in second quadrant sine and cosecant is positive. Okay, so like that we are gonna solve all this question. Very easy, right? So you just solve this question by yourself. Okay, I will give you the answer. Just stop the video and solve the question. I think you got the similar answer, that is minus sin x and minus cos x. Let us check how. See, cos pi by 2 plus 6 nothing but it will comes in second quadrant. In second quadrant obviously the your cos will remains negative. But if there is a pi by 2, okay, so pi by 2 is nothing but you have to change the function, therefore it will become sin x. Next is cos pi minus x. Cos will remains as cos only because you have pi. So pi minus x is nothing but a what? It will lies in the second quadrant. We know that second quadrant cos will be negative. Here also in cos will be negative in the second quadrant, right? That is why the thing is okay. So I think hope you understand. Similarly you just do the answer for these particular questions, that is you just try by yourself these particular questions. I just give you the answer. Similarly I think hope you find out this answer, right? So by using same trick, sin pi plus x is nothing but a what? It will lies in your third quadrant. In third quadrant add sugar 2. So tan and cot is positive, remaining is negative. Therefore sin is obviously negative, therefore you will get all the negative things. So minus, so pi is there, same function sin x only, and sin pi 3 pi by 2 minus x, pi n pi by 2 is there, so you have to change the function cos, and 3 pi by 2 minus x means third quadrant where sin is negative, so therefore negative cos x, right? So similarly you will write it as cos pi plus x as minus cos x, and cos 3 pi by 2 minus x is minus sin x. So you just try it for the fourth quadrant also. I have given this 4 question. Try it by yourself. Stop the video and try it by yourself. So I think hope you tried. I think you got the similar answer. If you not get, just listen to me. So sin 3 pi by 2 plus x is nothing but a what? It is 3 pi by 2 plus is a fourth quadrant. Add sugar to coffee. So here your cos and your secant are positive, remaining is negative. Okay, so remaining in the sense here we have sine. So 3 pi by 2 means you have to change the function, that is sine becomes cos, but sine will be negative in fourth quadrant, so negative cos x. Similarly sine 2 pi minus x is nothing but a what? Your 2 pi minus x is nothing but a fourth quadrant only, fourth quadrant only. So therefore, so 2 pi means same function sin x but negative because your sine is negative, but cos is positive in the case of fourth quadrant, therefore you will get positive only. So 3 pi by 2 means you have to change the function as sin x. So cos 3 pi by 2 plus x is plus sin x, and cos 2 pi minus x is plus cos x. Okay, so I think hope you understand about how to do this formulas. These many formulas, 16 formulas we have learned without the help of anyone and without memorizing, just by using this simple axis. Okay, I think hope this is very helpful for you. So I think you enjoyed this video and the video become very helpful to you. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and share to your friends, which will be very helpful for them, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.